Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Level 2 data on Thinkorswim. Level 2 provides a deeper look into the market than standard quotes. It shows you the order book, displaying all the bids and asks for a particular stock. This transparency helps you understand where buyers and sellers are positioned. By observing these levels, you can gain insights into potential price movements. It's a powerful tool for informed trading decisions. To access Level 2 data on Thinkorswim, first open your platform and enter a stock symbol. The easiest way to view it is by going to the Active Trader tab. Here, you'll see the Level 2 window prominently displayed. Alternatively, you can customize your sidebar by adding a Level 2 gadget. This allows you to keep an eye on market depth while using other features. It's quite flexible to set up. Interpreting Level 2 data involves understanding the bid and ask columns. On the left, you'll see the bid prices, representing what buyers are willing to pay, along with the size of their orders. On the right, the ask prices show what sellers are asking and how many shares they're offering. Look for larger order sizes, often called blocks, as these can signal significant support or resistance levels. This insight helps you gauge market sentiment. For more advanced strategies, be aware of spoofing, where large orders appear and then vanish, potentially misleading other traders. Always combine Level 2 data with the time and sales window to see actual executed trades. This gives you a comprehensive view of market activity. Remember, Level 2 is a dynamic tool that requires constant observation. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.